This is our purpose-built, brand new 18,000 square foot facility here in Peterborough. We cater for all insurance work, all makes and models of vehicles, and we specialise in paintless dent removal, which helps us to reduce size of damage, which in turn speeds up repair cycle times. We also specialise in electric vehicle repair. All of our technicians are IMI accredited. We also have ADAS recalibration equipment, which means we can keep the repairs in-house. Through this centre, we repair on average 50 cars per week, all to manufacturer's standards. Our main focus at Axiom is customer satisfaction. We ensure this by reinvesting in our staff, training, using state-of-the-art equipment and the best quality consumables on the market. The vision for the future of Axiom is to open 25 sites nationwide across the UK. What we're doing here at Peterborough is honing in on all of our skills so we can create a turnkey operation and replicate what we've done here in Peterborough across the UK.
We're always looking to improve the quality of service and the products that we use within our workshop. That's why we are trialling some masking materials produced by Q1. Q1 have worked with the automotive refinishing market to produce some masking products which work perfectly with our business model here and what we want to produce out in the workshop. The materials include masking foams, tapes, which work perfect with our Symach system for us to get the quality results that we require. Each product has been designed with the same attention to detail and high quality materials which gets the job done. Choosing to use high quality products that have been designed with performance in mind can make some processes like masking quicker. Honing our working processes and discovering new and improved products here at our flagship site Peterborough will enable us to roll out the most efficient ways of working and the most superior products to each of those new locations as they open. Making processes leaner means a faster turnaround for our customers without compromising on the quality of finish, which makes great business sense. Premium grade products like Q1's masking tapes, papers and films are a perfect example of this.